Beneath the glow of golden light, the family gathers near. Outside, the snow is falling soft, filling hearts with cheer. In a humble manger lies the Holy Child. Angels' hymns resound, both gentle and wild. Memories of laughter weave through time's embrace. Love shines bright in every gift, a tender trace. A song resounds beneath the stars. The world is wrapped in blessings afar. This is our Christmas, a melody of love, a night that warms us with stars above. Under the glowing tree we gather and stay. This moment in time forever will stay. Grandpa's laughter rings like bells so clear. Grandma's tea brings warmth and cheer. Parents' memories bloom anew. Children's joy shines bright and true. Joyful notes in every song. This moment feels like where we belong. This is our Christmas, a melody of love, a night that warms us with stars above. Under the glowing tree we gather and stay. This moment in time forever will stay. Snowflakes dance in winter's chill. A peaceful star shines calm and still. Hand in hand we lift our song, hoping this love will carry on. This is our Christmas, a melody of love, a night that warms us with stars above. Under the glowing tree we gather and stay. This moment in time forever will stay. Beneath the glows in winter, the family gathers near, celebrating Jesus' birth with joy sincere. Our Christmas shines, a night ever bright, a day of love, peace, and heaven